Hi guys! For today's video, we're going to open or unbox a Tiger grill pan with barbecue plate. Its model number is CPK-D130, made in Japan, and this one is about $200 Canadian. So this is a 2-in-1 home appliance. So it's also a barbecue grill or a hot pot. So without further ado, let's open it. So inside, oh, I bought it from TNT. How to take it back, the body to the box. Well, I'm not putting it back. They have a warranty and return notice. Oh my god, I cannot understand this. Oh, there you go. That's a warranty card. If you need to return it. So make sure after unboxing it, do not throw the box, because you might never know. Might not work. You need to return it. Pull it up. Okay, inside the box we have the manual, warranty service. So we have here the lid. We have here the scoop. Okay, so this is the grill pan. It's non-stick, easy to wash. It feels sturdy. It feels expensive, quality material. And this is the hot pot plate. And this is the heating plate. So we got here, oh, we can also make pancake, dumpling, teppanyaki. So hot pot, and this is a touchscreen. No, it's not. So off, warm until 230. I'm not sure if it's Celsius or Fahrenheit, but I'm afraid it's Celsius. Nice. We'll try it again. We'll try it and see how is it. Okay. Thank you. And yes, it works. Hot pot. Whoa. Good. Tiger 2-in-1 hot pot and grill pan. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Ooh.